Waiting for this message. This might take a while. Messenger, what to do then? The waiting for this message. This might take a while. Notification on Messenger, Facebook, means that end-to-end encryption, E2E, is enabled for that chat. Here's what's happening, why it appears. 1. End-to-end encryption, Messenger encrypts messages so only the sender and receiver can see them. 2. Data syncing delay, if you're seeing this message, Messenger is still syncing the encrypted message from the sender's device to yours. 3. Possible causes, poor internet connection, on your or the sender's side. App issues, outdated app or temporary service problem. New device login, if either of you recently logged in on a new device. What to do? Check internet connection, ensure both you and the sender have stable internet. Update Messenger, install the latest version from your app store. Wait and retry, sometimes, the issue resolves on its own after a few minutes.